Have you ever wondered why your electricity suddenly turns off after plugging in too many appliances? Why does your breaker trip instead of your house catching fire? Inside every modern home is a small device quietly protecting your family 24 hours a day. It's called the circuit breaker. Without it, even a small electrical fault could lead to dangerous overheating, damaged wiring, or devastating electrical fires. In this video, you'll learn exactly what a circuit breaker is, how it works, why it trips, the different types available, and how electricians safely use them every day. By the end of this video, you'll understand one of the most important safety devices ever invented. Before understanding a circuit breaker, we first need to understand electricity. Imagine electricity as water flowing through pipes. Voltage is the pressure. Current is the amount of water flowing. Resistance slows the flow. Electrical wires act like pipes carrying electricity from your electrical panel to lights, outlets, appliances, and equipment. Normally, electricity flows safely through these wires. But problems happen. Sometimes too much current flows. Sometimes a wire gets damaged. Sometimes two wires touch each other. That's when things become dangerous. Without protection, wires heat up quickly. Plastic insulation melts. Wood nearby can ignite. This is exactly why circuit breakers exist. A circuit breaker is an automatic electrical safety switch. Its job is simple. If too much electricity flows through a circuit, it instantly disconnects the power. Think of it as a security guard. Everything operates normally until danger appears. The moment something becomes unsafe, the breaker reacts. Unlike a fuse, which must be replaced after it blows, a breaker can usually be reset. That's why nearly every modern building uses circuit breakers, whether it's a home, factory, hospital, airport, or skyscraper. Circuit breakers are everywhere. Although it looks simple from the outside, a circuit breaker contains several important parts. The handle, electrical contacts, bimetal strip, electromagnet, trip mechanism, spring, arc chute. Each part works together within milliseconds. Normally, the contacts stay closed. Electricity flows freely. But during an overload or short circuit, the internal mechanism instantly opens the contacts. This stops electricity before damage occurs. The arc chute safely extinguishes the electrical arc created when the contacts separate. Without the arc chute, the electrical arc could continue burning. There are actually two different protection systems inside many household breakers: thermal protection, magnetic protection. Thermal protection responds to overloads. Imagine plugging too many heaters into one outlet. Current slowly rises. The bimetal strip heats up. As it heats, it bends. Eventually, it pushes the trip mechanism. The breaker opens. Magnetic protection works differently. It reacts almost instantly. During a short circuit, current increases hundreds of times above normal. This creates a powerful magnetic field. The electromagnet pulls the trip latch immediately. Power disconnects within milliseconds. This quick action prevents catastrophic damage. There are 4 common reasons. Number 1. Overloaded circuits. Too many devices on one circuit. Number 2. Short circuits. Live wire touches neutral wire. Massive current flows instantly. Number 3. Ground faults. Electricity finds another path to ground. This can shock people. Number 4. Faulty appliances, damaged motors, broken wiring, or defective electronics. Sometimes breakers also trip because they are worn out after many years of service. Not all breakers are the same. Single-pole breakers protect standard household circuits. Double-pole breakers protect large appliances like electric dryers and air conditioners. GFCI breakers protect people from electric shock. AFC breakers detect dangerous electrical arcs. Industrial systems use molded case breakers. Power stations use air breakers, vacuum breakers, and SF6 breakers. Each one is designed for a specific purpose. People often confuse breakers and fuses. Both protect electrical circuits, but they work differently. A fuse contains a thin metal wire. When too much current flows, the wire melts. The fuse is permanently destroyed. A breaker simply opens internal contacts. After fixing the problem, you reset it. This makes breakers safer, easier, and more economical. If a breaker trips, don't panic. First, Turn off appliances connected to that circuit. Find the breaker that's sitting between on and OFF. Move it completely to OFF. Then switch it firmly back on. If it trips again immediately, don't keep resetting it. A repeated trip usually means a serious electrical problem. Call a qualified electrician. Never bypass or tape a breaker into the on position. That defeats its entire safety purpose. Myth 1. A bigger breaker is always better. False. Oversized breakers can allow dangerous overheating. Myth 2. Breakers never wear out. False. They age over time. Myth 3. If it keeps tripping, just replace it with a larger one. Very dangerous. Always identify the actual cause first. Let's review. A circuit breaker protects electrical wiring. It detects dangerous current. It disconnects power automatically. It protects your home. It protects your appliances. Most importantly, it protects lives. Understanding how breakers work helps homeowners stay safer and electricians troubleshoot problems more effectively. Now you know exactly what a circuit breaker is and why it's one of the most important electrical safety devices ever invented. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Electrical Pro Tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next electrical lesson. Coming up next, how electrical panels work, how GFCI outlets save lives, why breakers keep tripping, stay safe, and keep learning.